Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin and Cardano. In this video we're going to take a quick look at both charts again. Only a quick update, not too much happened, but what I wanted to mention is that if this is supposed to be playing out here, this scenario, then I would expect now this wave B to launch very, very shortly. So as you might remember, we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the downside, leading us basically on the first step into this 20 to 29k target range that I think we are going to see. From here now, from that low that we have, I would expect now, this was then the wave 5 possibly, and I would now expect us to move into the wave B, or maybe we are already in the wave B. You shouldn't forget that, because this wave B consists of 3 waves, A, B and C again. So a wave B, a corrective wave, consists of 3 waves. So what you will probably be seeing here is this A, B, C, okay? So this could already be that ABC. We're just waiting for it, but this could probably already be it. Yeah, so that after the wave 5 you had your retracement, the wave A, then the wave B to the downside, and the wave C. So if we are seeing that, what we can also do is to draw the fib levels here from the low to the high of that, you can call it even a bull flag. There you go, you can see those fib levels here. And we are now coming down to the 0.618 fib level at 45.7k. I did tell you before, 45.7k is a very important level, and that is why. I didn't specifically mention why before. Basically it was the previous low, but you can see it's also 0.618 fib level. So if we drop below that, it gets more likely that we are probably not seeing that wave B in that in that way. But I think if we are supposed to see it, then the turnaround needs to happen very, very soon. Yeah, so I wouldn't expect much more consolidation here. I think this needs to happen fairly quickly, possibly next week, early next week. We could see now that move play out, and that would be then, just to repeat, that A, B, C. Yeah, so the last leg to the upside, that could be quite a bit of a pump. Little bit of a rally that we would see then running into this yellow target area before we see a move down here. And that is all based on the larger correction that started back in April, going into July, wave A, wave B to the upside, into November, wave C to the downside here. This larger wave C, within which you can see an ABC. And again, with that A is completed, probably that wave B is just playing out, A, B and C is still waiting, and then that wave C down here will probably be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the downside. This is again when many people will get to bullish again, and confirmation for this move up is that we are seeing here a bullish crossover on the daily MACD. So this is just starting out. I mean, this doesn't need to work out in terms of price increase, but it is a good sign. It's a good sign that downtrend is slowing down. We are calming down here as well a little bit. I mean, I don't expect major moves here in this year, also based on the fact that a lot of institutional investors probably, they've got their sort of the year-end stuff ready. They're not probably prepared to make any significant moves and to impact their year-end results in any way. And that's why I don't expect massive moves, but maybe we can start the move here to the upside fairly soon. And if not this year, I mean, there's not many days left this year anyway, then we're going to see this early next year, probably in the beginning of January then. Looking at Cardano as well, still holding above this orange trend line. We can see that this daily MACD bullish cross is continuing to play out, and that needs now to materialize in increasing prices as well. And the good thing is that if Bitcoin is going to move up like that, then Cardano should follow. I think we are now seeing on the ADA BTC chart a good correlation, and we're going to take a look at that. But you can definitely see how this downtrend has slowed down. We're moving horizontal, even making higher lows here. Yeah, because that is an ascending trend line. And we already did a bit of a move up here. I think that was today. Now we dropped again back below the 0.887 fib level, or just about there. And the next days will decide how it's going to go on for Cardano. But good news that we are seeing here this bullish crossover on the MACD. And again, other than that, not really many news, but Let's take a look at the ADA BTC before we finish this video. And what you can see here, that we continue to climb according or based on that ascending trend line here into a triangle. And again, you know, I told you before, these these daily EMAs, they are holding us down. They are definitely holding us down. So again, there is not much more space, and the next few hours or days, probably days, will decide how this is going to happen. Here we tried to push out again and failed, moving down on the ADA BTC chart. Those daily EMAs, and that is the 13 and the 21 day EMA, they are pushing us down here. And if they're pushing us down further, you know, we're going to move into this apex in the next few days, and then there isn't much more space, and the more condensed you get, the more explosive a move can get. So yeah, I'm waiting for that to play out. It won't be much longer. So yeah, observe the chart and see what's going to happen. So again, you know, primarily I would expect a move up here for Cardano and Bitcoin before we then, however, see the major move down, and that will play out over the next couple of months in my view. So that's pretty much what I see in the charts at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.